ChatGPT just rolled out ads to 800 million weekly users. This is not some small test. OpenAI opened up a brand new advertising platform that lets you put sponsored products right inside chat conversations. And if you know how to position yourself in this space, this could be one of the biggest money-making opportunities we have seen in years. The platform launched February 9th. Big brands are already paying $200,000 minimum to get in early. But there are ways for regular people to make money from this too. Now, you can run ads for clients, offer strategy services, create content about it, or build tools around it. This is fresh. This is huge. And most people are completely missing what is actually happening. You are early to this. So let me show you exactly how smart people are already making money before everyone else figures it out. Hey there. So if you are new here, I am Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I am here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you are serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast track training that I am currently offering for free. The link is in the description. All right, now let us get into it. On February 9th, 2026, OpenAI officially turned on ads inside ChatGPT. This is not a rumor. This is not coming soon. It is live right now. If you use the free tier or the new Go plan that costs $8 a month, you are seeing ads. Here is how it works. Someone asks ChatGPT a question. Maybe they type in something like best air fryers under $100 or easy dinner recipes for tonight. ChatGPT gives them a helpful answer. Then at the bottom of that response, an ad appears. It is clearly labeled as sponsored. It sits separate from the actual answer. The ad does not influence what ChatGPT says. The answer stays neutral and helpful. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, more ads on the internet. Big deal. But here is what makes this different. People do not go to ChatGPT to scroll around and waste time. They go there to solve actual problems. They are asking real questions about things they actually care about. The intent is sky high. If someone asks for the best laptop for video editing, they are probably in the market to buy a laptop soon. If they ask for Valentine's Day gift ideas, they are ready to make a purchase. The timing is perfect. The context is perfect. And that is why big brands are jumping on this so fast. Let me tell you who got early access to this. We are talking about major advertising agencies like Omnicom Media, WPP, and Dentsu. These are not small players. Omnicom alone brought more than 30 of their clients into the pilot program. And the brands testing this right now? Adobe is running ads for Acrobat Studio and Adobe Firefly. Target is advertising their products. Ford and Mazda are testing car ads. Albertsons is promoting groceries. Williams-Sonoma is showing kitchen products. HelloFresh is advertising meal kits. Audible is in the pilot. Even luxury brands like Audemars Piguet, the high-end watch company, are testing this. The minimum buy-in for this pilot program is $200,000. That is not a typo. $200,000 just to get in. They are paying that because being early to a platform like this gives them a massive advantage before competition floods in. Target shared some wild data. They said traffic from ChatGPT to their website has been growing 40% every single month. That is insane growth. And now they can put ads directly inside those conversations. Let me show you the real money-making opportunities. First, run ads for your own business or clients. If you work with local businesses or e-commerce brands, you could help them get ads into ChatGPT. Most small business owners have no idea this exists. You can be the expert who sets it up. Second, offer ChatGPT ad strategy as a service. Businesses need help figuring out what to advertise and how to target it. This is not like Facebook or Google ads. The context is different. If you figure out what works early, you can charge premium rates. Third, create content about this. YouTube videos, blog posts, courses. There is a massive information gap. Most people have no clue how this works. If you explain it and show examples, you will get views that turn into subscribers and customers. I got fired from my job. That was the moment I realized I had to figure things out on my own. When something new launches, the people who move fast and create helpful content win. You do not have to be the smartest, just willing to learn and share before everyone else. Fourth, think affiliate opportunities. There is no official OpenAI affiliate program yet, but tools are being built around ChatGPT advertising. Find software that helps businesses optimize campaigns and promote it, or build your own tool. Fifth, position yourself as a ChatGPT visibility expert. Ads are one way to show up. Organic is another. If someone asks ChatGPT to recommend tools or services, you want your brand in that answer. Help businesses rank organically while also running paid ads. That makes you incredibly valuable. Facebook ads interrupt people scrolling through photos. Google search ads catch people researching. But ChatGPT ads reach people actively asking for help. The person is typing out a problem they need solved. The AI gives an answer. Then your ad appears as a relevant option. The intent is sky high. The context is perfect. And it does not feel intrusive because the ad is separated and clearly labeled. That is why conversion rates could be way higher than traditional platforms. If you are finding this valuable, smash that like button and hit subscribe. The Real Nick reads every comment, so drop one below. And if you are serious about building a real business, grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. I show you my favorite AI tools that save time and make money. Plus, I give you an exclusive link to try the best AI platform I use to run my business for 30 days free. That tool is better than ChatGPT for getting clients. Link in the description. The targeting is smart. OpenAI matches ads based on your current conversation topic. Recipe questions get food ads. Travel questions get hotel ads. They can also use your past chat history if personalization is on. If you have been asking about fitness, then ask about healthy living. You might see workout app ads. They also track previous ad interactions to show similar ads in the future. But here is the key. Advertisers do not get your chat logs. They only get aggregated data. How many saw the ad, how many clicked, basic metrics, no personal details. Users have full control. Turn off personalization, clear your history, dismiss ads. If you are under 18, no ads. No ads on sensitive topics like health or politics either. This keeps trust high while making money. Okay, so if you want to make money from this, here's what you need to do today. Not next week, not next month. Today. First, go to openai.com/advertisers and sign up for updates. Even if you are not ready to run ads yet, get on the list. When they open up the platform to more people, you want to be one of the first to know. Second, start learning how ChatGPT ads work. Watch videos like this one. Read articles. Look at case studies. The more you understand about this platform early on, the bigger your advantage will be when it opens up. Third, if you have clients or you run your own business, start thinking about how you could use ChatGPT ads. What products or services would make sense? What questions do your customers ask that could trigger a relevant ad? Get your strategy ready now so when access opens up, you can move fast. Fourth, optimize your brand for organic visibility in ChatGPT. Clean up your website. Make sure your product descriptions are clear. Create helpful content that answers real questions. Even if you are not running paid ads, you want ChatGPT to mention your brand. Fifth, create content about this topic. If you have a YouTube channel, make a video. If you have a blog, write a post. If you have social media, talk about it. Position yourself as the expert, because when businesses start looking for help with ChatGPT ads in a few months, they will search for experts. And if you have been creating content, you will be the one they find. Every new advertising platform has a gold rush period. Early adopters get cheap traffic. They figure out what works before competition shows up. They build reputations as experts. By the time the masses arrive, early people are crushing it and charging premium rates. We saw this with Facebook ads. We saw it with Google ads. We saw it with YouTube ads and Instagram ads and TikTok ads. Every time, the people who moved fast made the most money. Everyone else showed up late and had to fight for scraps. ChatGPT ads are in that early phase right now. You are seeing this video before most people even know this opportunity exists. That gives you an advantage, but only if you actually do something with it. ChatGPT ads signal something bigger happening. AI companies are figuring out how to monetize at scale. OpenAI needs money to build better models and offer free access. Ads let them do that. This is just the beginning. Google will add ads to Gemini. Anthropic might add them to Claude. Microsoft could do it with Copilot. Conversational AI is becoming a major advertising channel. If you understand this world, you will offer services most agencies do not know exist. You will create content that gets massive views. You will build a business around high-demand skills. A year from now, agencies will charge $5,000 or $10,000 a month to manage these campaigns. The people who got in early will be making serious money. You can be one of those people. Listen, I am not here to hype you up for no reason. ChatGPT ads will not make you rich overnight, but this is a real opportunity. It is new. It is growing fast. And if you position yourself correctly, you can make good money. Run ads for your business, offer it as a service to clients, create content, build tools. There are multiple ways to win. You do not need a crazy technical background or huge budget, just willingness to learn and take action before everyone else. Grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. I walk you through how to land high-paying AI clients and give you access to the best AI software I use to run my entire agency. It is better than ChatGPT for making money and getting real results. Link is in the description. Join my free community, the AI Control Room. Thousands of agency owners and entrepreneurs figuring this out together. We share strategies and stay ahead of trends. Link in the comments and description. If you got value, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. The Real Nick reads everyone. See you in the next video.